CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made, and I have proved that actually this has happened because it's all documented on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, and unironically just absolutely delivering. You know, it's 10% up, and this is exactly what I wanted to see. Now let me show you the before. Here is a video that was just made 19 hours ago. Post market, we were sitting at 104. So yesterday on 10th of June, and only if I saw that shift and that double break, only then I was really pulling the trigger on this one. Right, it was sitting at 105, and actually since it has already happened, I'm in a risky opportunity now. You know, because that's how I like to trade stuff. There's two outcomes to this now. You can either hit the TP or come back down, hit break even. And in the meantime, I have previous receipt here with CRCL. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.